Hello there. I am Scott. I'm an American in Bangkok, where I have been for the past 3 decades, 30 years plus. I have an alert. Very important news. And this is big news, really. But Thailand is nearing restoration of U.S. direct flights. An official announcement regarding the upgrade is expected by late February 2025, signaling the restoration of a status last held in 2015. It's been more than 10 years since they've held Category 1 status. Um, Thailand is expected to resume direct flights to the United States in February 2025, following an anticipated upgrade in the country's aviation safety rating by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA. The development comes after the American aviation watchdog's recent audit of Thailand's aviation sector, which showed major improvements in compliance with international safety standards. Now, this is big news. Why is it big news? Well, uh, Deputy Prime Minister and Transport Minister Surya Jung Riang Kit announced that Thailand is set to regain its Category 1 safety rating early next year. The FAA inspection was conducted from November 11th to November 15th, during which the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand received favorable outcomes. While minor issues were still identified, they are not expected to affect the final decision from the FAA. An official announcement regarding the upgrade is expected by late February 2025, signaling the restoration of a status last held in 2015, December 2015. Okay, now, uh, the Cat 1 status confirms that Thailand's Civil Aviation Authority complies with International Civil Aviation Organization standards, enabling Thai carriers, primarily Thai Airways, to operate direct flights to and from the United States. Now, here's why this is big. Uh, if Thailand Airways is restored to Cat 1 under the uh, International Aviation Safety Assessment by the FAA, it would have several significant implications. First, Thai Airways can operate direct flights between Thailand and the United States. This capability was lost when Thailand's aviation safety rating was downgraded to Category 2 in 2015, December 2015. So it's been more than 10 years. What it also means is that U.S. carriers operating direct flights to Thailand can also come to Thailand direct. A Category 1 rating is a prerequisite for U.S. based airlines to initiate or resume direct flights to a country. If Thailand regains Cat 1 status, which supposedly it will, American carriers such as Delta or United or whomever could begin offering direct flights to Thailand, which is currently not possible due to the downgraded status. So this is huge news. Direct flights back and forth. That's huge. This upgrade would strengthen Thailand's position as a global aviation hub, benefiting its tourism and business sectors significantly. So that means it might be easier for people to get over here, less hassle. And what that means is more people, more tourists. Thailand will probably reach its 40 million tourists goal next year. That's what I suspect. Okay. Now, going further into this, Thailand was downgraded to Cat 2 in December 2015 after the FAA cited non-compliance with ICAO regulations. This downgrade restricted Thai Airways from adding new routes to the United States and from U.S. carriers coming to Thailand direct. So it took away that capability. Since then, the CAAT has undertaken extensive reforms to address safety concerns. According to Transport Permanent Secretary Chayatan Promson, the CAAT's effort to, all these acronyms, to meet international standards were accessed and evaluated during the FAA's 5-day audit, which found that major issues had been resolved. The return to Cat 1 designation is an important milestone for Thailand's aviation sector. It will enhance Thai carriers to establish or expand operations in the lucrative U.S. market, increasing both tourism and trade. So we know that. So that's what this is all about. Big alert. Okay. Moreover, the upgrade marks the culmination of years of effort. People don't understand, but there has been a lot of effort trying to get Thai Airways back to its former glory. And at one time, Thai Airways was highly respected. And for some reason, it went into the toilet. Well, now it's back on its feet. Things are looking good. And also, it coming back to Cat 1 obviously means that U.S. carriers can come over here. So it's a win-win for everybody. Thailand initially received Cat 1 status in 1997 and maintained it through subsequent assessments in 2001 and 2008, only to lose it in December of 2015. So, the big news. With Cat 1 status now within reach, Thailand's aviation industry is expecting renewed growth, strengthening its connectivity with global markets. Now, in case you want to know where I got this, this article from, this information from, it's Aviation A to Z. And I will provide the link down in the description. I want to thank Carnivore Chronicle for providing me with this. I didn't really realize just how big it was. I saw it and I went, oh, that's really great. Direct flights. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we'll be able to fly back. Then I started it, I went to sleep. Now I'm awake. It's 2:30 in the morning? Yeah, 2:34 in the morning. And I woke up and I thought, no, this is huge. This is something that is massive. Because you think about it, there are plenty of people that are willing to pay for a direct flight. And I don't know, I just think that this one move is going to mean a lot of additional tourists to Thailand, which I am not a tourist. I'm an expat. I'm a long time expat, right? I've been here almost half my life. But still, it's big news. I don't generally mingle with tourists, but there are a lot of tourists here. I think it's a good thing for Thailand. Everybody wins. Americans win because they can come over here direct. Thais win because they get tourists. And Thai Airways has seemingly been restored and is reaching its former glory from past decades. So I think it's win-win for everybody. And I want to let you guys know about it. So that's why I'm here. Anyway, thank you. I'm Scott. I'm an American in Bangkok. Until next time, choke D, loud jerk at mine.